I think for the first time, when I think about an author visit now, I'm not so nervous. I'm not so scared. I feel like I'm now equipped with knowledge from Jan, Carmen, and Peter that is invaluable in so many ways. But first, it gave us all confidence in our group, and I think all of us, you could see this from the first day to today, just this ginormous learning curve that took place. And I will personally forever be grateful for that. So for the whole day, we went and we did all kinds of stuff. But what do you think I was thinking about the whole entire day? Yes. Exactly. I was thinking about that boy. And the main question I was asking myself about him